Yo, printing enthusiasts, struggling to find the perfect 3D printer in a sea of options? Don't worry, we've got you covered. This video dives deep into the hottest printers of 2024, from speed demons to budget beasts. Get ready for stunning visuals, expert insights, and the ultimate guide to printing your dreams into reality. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Bambu P1S. The P1S 3D printer, despite its premium price, delivers excellent value, especially in the combo variant equipped with an automatic material station, AMS. This unique feature automates filament loading and unloading, allowing for multicolor prints without manual intervention. While multicolor printing may not be rapid with a single nozzle, the AMS streamlines filament changes for diverse prints. The Core XY system contributes to the printer's remarkable speed, and its fully enclosed design ensures reliability when handling various filament types. Print quality is outstanding, although the dot matrix screen appears subpar for the price. Nevertheless, alternative control methods such as Wi-Fi connectivity mitigate this concern. Consider the Creality K1 for touchscreen preferences, coupled with additional features like failed print detection. Number 2. Bambu A1. The Bambu A1 3D printer earns its accolade as the 3D printer you've been waiting for, offering close to one-click printing with automatic adjustments for reliable results. This feature-packed printer, available at an affordable price, accommodates models up to 256mm3. Bambu's well-designed desktop and mobile apps enhance user experience, while lacking an enclosure, limiting its compatibility with certain filaments like nylon, ABS, and ASA. The A1 can print carbon fiber filaments with Bambu's optional hardened nozzle. For users seeking automatic multicolor printing, the optional AMS light is available, extending the A1's versatility. Overall, the A1 excels in delivering convenience and performance in a budget-friendly package. Number 3. Creality K1 Max. The K1 3D printer by Creality may be perceived by some as a replication of the Bambu P1S, but it offers unique features that set it apart. Available in two models, the smaller K1 and the larger K1 Max, the latter boasts an expansive 300x300x300 build volume, surpassing Bambu's offerings. The touchscreen interface enhances user convenience, and automatic bed leveling simplifies the setup process. The K1 Max's inclusion of Wi-Fi, an AI camera for print monitoring, and LiDAR technology for ensuring print quality further distinguish it. While not surpassing the P1S's print quality, both the K1 and K1 Max deliver commendable speed and performance with their Core XY systems. Number 4. Elegoo Neptune 4. The Neptune 4 is an excellent entry-level 3D printer, offering ease of setup, auto bed leveling, and a color touchscreen at an affordable price. Despite lacking Wi-Fi connectivity, it competes favorably with Core XY printers in terms of speed, thanks to an upgraded print head with improved cooling over its predecessor, the Neptune 3. While the manual leveling process may deter some users, subsequent leveling becomes automatic. The printer delivers commendable print quality at its default 300mm speed, though users may benefit from using an alternative slicer to overcome potential issues with Elegoo's slicer. Overall, the Neptune 4 is a reliable and budget-friendly choice for beginners. Number 5. Anycubic Kobra 2 Plus. The Kobra 2 Plus impresses with a spacious build volume of 320x320 by 400 mm WDH, making it capable of producing large 3D prints. For those with even greater printing needs, the Kobra 2 Max offers an even more substantial volume at 420x420 by 500 mm. As a bed slinger, the build plate moves backward and forward, requiring sufficient desk space. The printer excels in speed, maintaining good print quality and user-friendliness through features like automatic bed leveling, vibration compensation, and a convenient color touchscreen. Overall, the Kobra 2 Plus stands out as a reliable choice for users seeking expansive 3D printing capabilities. Confused by all the awesome options? The best printer depends on your needs. The Bambu P1S is a speed king for pros, while the A1 rocks for budget-minded beginners. K1 Max boasts amazing size, while Neptune 4 excels in detail. Kobra 2 Plus is a versatile workhorse. Hit the comments with your needs and we'll help you find your perfect match.